This is how to adjust rotation of a video clip or footage in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Your video clip. Assume Capcut open. This works for iOS, Android, and smartphone devices. And down and scroll to the right. You see the option Basic, which is the filters, and remove BG. Opened up and loaded, you want to click on the third option or icon, which is Rotate. The middle hand screen, you can scroll to the right of your screen. Notice that the video is rotating or shifting to the right. Scroll to the left now, moving to the left or to the right. Happy or satisfied, you can click the check mark. You can see your video has been successfully rotated. A tip, if you want to undo this, you can click undo right here. I'm gonna undo everything. Assuming you want to add a keyframe, click the diamond icon. Let's say right here, we want this to rotate. I'm going to add another keyframe. And again, we're going to scroll to the right and click Basic. To rotate, I'm going to basically create an adjust. Rotate this slightly, click the check mark. This is what we have. You have successfully just know how to rotate your video in Capcut Mobile completely for free.